Ready to transform your clicks into loyal customers? Let's build a high-converting sales funnel together. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to create your first effective sales funnel using a streamlined and powerful platform. Go high level. First, click on the Sites option in the left panel. This opens the site interface where you can manage funnels, websites, and more. And click New Funnel. You'll see two options: start from scratch or use a pre-designed template. For beginners, templates are a great way to get started quickly. Let's use a template. Name your funnel, select a template that suits your needs by searching Like Services for service-based businesses, then hit Continue. Once loaded, you can customize each element. Click on an item to edit its properties, like background color or size. Add more elements by clicking the plus button. Don't forget to save your changes regularly. After editing, it's time to go live. Click Publish, select your domain, and Confirm. Congratulations, your funnel is now ready to start converting visitors into customers. Keep an eye on your funnel's performance and tweak as needed. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining high conversion rates. Start building your funnel today and watch your business grow. Visit our website to get started. Grab your 30-day free trial now and start building your own funnel today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for the easiest and most effective start. Links are in the video description. Thanks for watching. For more tips on optimizing your digital marketing, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next tutorial.